He said he would trade 2 of his rings for the unbeaten season. He said it.
Yeah, I'm sure he means it, really.
I mean,
I checked, he don't play defense.
I like sports. I think they're fun and inspiring. I don't like franchises because you got guys like this. You know what I'm saying? And what you call him, Umar Bigger? It was funny when you said it, but oh, Stephanie and Umar Bigger. We were talking because my guys, they like football. You know what I'm saying? One of them, I think, signed. I just met one of these cats. But anyway, people that like all these Maddens and stuff, in my mind, they have a lazy, a lot of, not all of them, but a lot of them have a lazy mentality. A lot of them, you know what I mean? Even the ones that got a job and are doing good, they still have this type of, and got they man cave and watch their football games. The guys I've met and on over the years, they still seem kind of lazy. Stephen King, oh, that's his name, Stefani, Stephen Smith, and Umar Bigger. I like that. But these guys don't represent the black community, first of all. These just some black guys talking. But guys like him do all the talking and ain't on nothing. And these white folks done pumped him up, paid him good, got his head big, eagle, puffed up, but he ain't nothing. He ain't no type of icon for the black community. He just the mouthpiece. Stephen A. Smith, that's his name? I be forgetting because I ain't studying him. I know who he is. And Roland Martins, they ain't number mouthpieces. Stephen A. Smith's.
Because I'm leaving the seat open. Cats know they're going to be there. You have an open invitation. I'm going to be nice. I'm going to be the gentleman that I am. Mm-hmm. I'm going to remind the world why, I'm me and they are who they are. There's a difference.
What is that supposed to mean? Bitch.
Mike Urban, the first victim. Keyshawn, number 2. Spears, number
What is he talking about? Black folks, stop letting these celebrities and these sports pump y'all heads up, okay? Because you're going to grow up to be just like them. Think they own something that ain't nothing. And not in tune with our ancestors. These ain't nothing but puppets, toys for these white folks. These Stephans, Smiths, and Big Daddy jerk meat.